guys, it's your boy Splash Money, and today I'm going to give another shout out to Elijah Reed. Please subscribe to the channel, and I'm going to start off with a video. Peace. Okay, I'm back, guys. Guys, ready? What's the Westbrook when he dunks feel like? Let's go! He has veins in his head. And then when a kid that doesn't talk dunks, a kid that can't dunk but he tries to. Barville against Smithfield. They give it to Elijah. Elijah puts it up. 200 Smithfield and 2 to Barville. Smithfield's up 200 to 2. And then I come down. I go like, this is it. And then I bang bang. Like, so I'm broke. Jesse the Laser. Subscribe to his channel. Yeah. What? Here's how you get better. In real basketball, you can go like this. You can get better at lefties, righties, lefties. But set a timer for 1 minute. So 1 minute, how much time? And then you do it against your brothers if you have any. Or sisters. That's it for the video. Shout out to Jesse the Laser and Elijah Reed. Bye.